So, thank you once again. Velocity chairman, sir.
And then he goes a shot.
It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better man.
And that is the end of the game. The Oji-Unity Football Club have won with 1, 2, 3 goals.
It's mind over everything.
With the trophy. That is the end of the game. Oji-Unity have won. This is a beautiful time. This is a celebrating galore. And I can see the unity now. Taking that.
When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. Don't stop.
This is a beautiful one there. Taking direction. A beautiful person. I can see. It's in the man of the air. Let us see once again. He's not on the side. That's wrong. The number 3 man. He beat the man. That's in the ball. These children, they are moving like a wounded lion. Taking direction. And I can see the Oji-Unity. Taking that one. This is a lovely one there. And the beautiful one there. A dramatic one. A dramatic one.
Yeah, my wife.
That is the end of the first of Unity FC. I appreciate you. Help in bringing all these boys to this level. We appreciate you. Say thank you. And thank you to the able chairman of Oji-River Football Association in the person of Igwe Polimus Onyedekachuku to give us brief history of what we are doing today. Igwe, sir.
Appreciate the Honorable Chairman of Oji-River Local Government, Honorable Chinedu Onyama, Omes Global, ably represented by his SPA of Political, Honorable Oyebuchi Wakabia. Honorable, you are welcome, sir. I want to appreciate the presence of our dignitaries, the members of and the entire members of the coaching crew of Oji-River Football Association. I appreciate our fans. Most especially, I want to appreciate our supporters, people who have taken it upon themselves to make sure that because of these supporters, some people during the training days do buy pure waters. It's here for us to use this venue for our matches. Thank you so much, ma, for being there for us. Want to appreciate all our partners, people who are helping to make sure they're helping to. And at the end of the day, it ends like that.
How many chances?
We came together to agree that it's possible that football could be organized in such a manner that records will be kept, talents can be pointed, developed, and utilized. And that is what we are doing today. Today in Oji-River, crimes are being reduced to the barest minimum as a result of activities of football. This is made possible because players who have matches, who have trainings, don't go into crimes because their psychic energy is channeled towards making sure that they win their next match. Coaches, on the other hand, are making every effort to and they appreciate. If you do that here, you will accept it. But if you get to a local area, there are clubs there. You have club, to help us. Advertise what we are doing for your friends who have pro football. With nothing, we are doing it. If God lays it in your heart to support a football Oji-River, every Oji-River, with anything whatsoever, you will not be forgotten, and history will never forget that gesture. So we implore you to enjoy your evening, relax, and feel free. Thank you once more, and God bless you.
Please, at this junction, I'm calling on the secretary of the association, Mr. Oji-River, to run out the names of players that have been selected for the game.
Pay attention to this particular list so that you can inform your boys. Inform your boys once. They have to come here so that we can further. Oji-River sharing first fruit. Then charge another person. Emenike David is from United Eagles. Oba Uchenna from United Eagles. Ike Chukwuchinedu from Unity FC. Echeta Somto from Unity FC. Emmanuel Onyeka from Unity FC. Madu Akochibike from Unity. Emmanuel Stephen from Ikokoli FC Abugoze. Chikamso Valentine Ikokoli Abugoze. Ogazio Chibazie, Future Hope FC Oji-River. Udenwa Onyedika, Future Hope FC Oji-River. Okolo Christian, Future Hope FC Oji-River. Ole Bethel, Future Hope FC Oji-River. Biakelechi, Avengers of Ahani, Avengers FC of Ahani. Chukwuchinonso, Avengers FC Ahani. YSC, Young Boys of Abali. Nathaniel Onyinyo, Sun City FC. Aboti Henry, Sun City FC. No Dijeku, Sun City FC. Oka for the Lord, Evangel FC. Mabianyo Daniel, Evangel FC. All the Unity FC, Onyebuchi Chinedu, Unity FC. Chukwujitara, Unity FC. Uchenna, Wajobi, Wajima Buago FC of Abugeze. Mado Francis. Wajima Buago FC, who will be here at exactly 12 p.m. on Saturday, 21st May. Yeah? Sorry, the FA chairman says now 8 a.m. No total. Saturday, 21st May 2022. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I'm now inviting again the Oasis, the commentator from all the way from Abidjan. He's here again to do justice to the second 45 minutes of this game. Thank you.
Thank you very much. The match is just 2 minutes old, and we are into the second half of the game. Still one goal in favor of Ashi Unity, and I can see the United crossing that one, and the ball went wide for over the ball, ladies and gentlemen. And I can see United, they are now defending the west end of the pitch, and any moment from now the two teams in action. I can see the Achi United now taking over control. What was it once again? This is a midfield action. The captain of the side taking that one, a header. Clearing that one by number 14 man. And what does he do? A header. This is a back kicking. And what does he do once again? Beating a man into space now. That's it with the ball, changing direction. First number 8 man, and there he goes. A chance is coming. Goalkeeper rush. He has no problem for that one. Goalkeeper for the United, who suffered just one goal, taking that one with the right footer. What does he do? And the number 4 man for the United, for the Unity, and the Unity now taking over control. Number 14 man, what does he do once again? He is the youngest star, and a good clearing there for a throw-in to be taken right now. He's going to take it. This is a longish one there. A shot, but a header, but the ball rolled out of the touch for another goal kick is coming to the Unity football of Archie, who is leading by 1 goal to 0. and the goalkeeper one with the left footer. This is a long shoulder coming, pushing, and I can see that guy, number 15 man for the Super United, and Uche now taking that one. What was it once again? It's the man. A good cross there. Can he make it? A chance is coming, and the ball roll a big goal. Number two. The man of defense for the Super United of Oji-River, taking that one with the left footer. The header, bring it down. What does he do once again? I can see the unity now. A pass coming to his number 10 man. What does he do? The man. That's it with the ball. Changing direction. What does he do? And the ball rolled out of the door.
Honorable Frank Noble. He is one of the reasons we are still playing this game up to this moment. At a point we could not continue. We ran to him. Thank you, sir, for that. Thank you, sir, for that. It wouldn't have been this possible. We want to as well thank and appreciate one of the managers of our team. That is Wajim Mabuago FC. I want to still go on with my appreciation. I want to appreciate those men who stood for us. I want to appreciate my own person, Mr. Woko Christian, popularly known as MTN. If not for Mr. Woko Christian, I wonder what would have been of this tournament. I can make 1 million. Thank you so much, sir. At the same time, I want to appreciate my person. Mr. Levinus AGK Ilo, the LOC chairman. Sir, thank you for being there. It's not for any other thing, but if not for the passion, somebody to remember the kind of the FA and they are bumping the ball. Instead of work apart from a corner and a cry. Apart from Mumbai, or work anything, it's not for the love and that is the chief medical. Thank you so much, ma, for being there. We cannot be doing this without her. Ma, you are wonderful. We appreciate you. We want to also appreciate our own secretary, the LOC secretary. Thank you so much, ma. These are people who, without anything, are doing it day in, day out. Day in, day out. Mouth. That was a wonderful miss. Commentator, just hold on. Hold on. This person, they are doing the job. With time, the LOC chairman will have to call you by names. We want to appreciate you all. Want to take over that. Junior. Also made the Koro one. Now pull the kingdom. Ikri Pamnachi. Doctor. Okay, what are you? What are you? I want to work it. It would be what we mean. It would be when I'm one. Also, many Korolachi. All the be about I want to unity. Yes. Also, many Koro. We are welcome to this stadium. Welcome to all the Gibuko Pala. My chair will continue. On my appreciation table, I want to appreciate my own vice chairman, Mr. Tigoze Paul. Thank you so much for being there for the FA Oji-River. even when you are far on the but every time, I make the other coaches, the coaches of different clubs, who on daily basis, I have called the names of the coaches. Please, I want to assure you that there is reward. God of soccer must pay us, but we appreciate you guys. Most of the times we find it very difficult to even solve our own problems, but these boys will still come with their own problems, and we have to do everything to make sure that their own problems are solved. Macaroni line arrow, a crew maga television abroad. And by the time these things come to fulfillment, I am about $1 and pounds. I have go guy. But now when we are doing it and the thing has not started paying. Thank you once again. Pelosi Chairman, sir.
Thank you, my workaholic chairman, Ibe Paul Onyedikachuku, the transparent chairman, my brother from another mother. How much in Pablo I never appreciate the treasurer of the FA Oji-River, in the person of Coach Ben of United Ego.
In favor of IT unity, and not going to tell the story by the United Football Club of Oji-River, and this one we just crossed. A free kick is to be taken right now by United. And I can see the guy taking that one. This is a very beautiful one. Chance is coming. This is a very good one. Can he make it? And the swinger, can he make it? And the ball rolled out of the touch. Into the Super United of Oji-River. Can they convert it to be goal number 1? I don't know. And there he goes. And the swinger, a header, taking it away, clearing the ball out of the defense zone. And the number 1 foreman, he couldn't make it, but the United, I can see the Unity now taking over control. That is Smallish in action, moving into space right now, operating on the left right there, and nobody in particular, a player for Unity is down, and the center referee, Mancha, have been shown a yellow card to number 4 man United. For number 4 man, he is Olebube Emmanuel, have received a yellow. Unity Football Club.
Number 7 shot for Unity.
To be replaced by
There he goes. This is a long issue, and they're coming a header, bring it down, and I can see number 1250 man moving into space right now. This is a very good one there, beating the man on the air. A chance is coming for the Super, and the Super now taking over control by Unity, and I can see Unity now, and this is a very good one there. What does he do? A chance is coming, approaching the perimeter, I got the penalty ball. Can they get a chance? Oh, it is over the ball. He didn't watch very well. The finals, can they run away with 2-0 to lift up the top? Beating the man on the air, the Unity, all the way now, and I can see the Unity now. The referee say offside in position of play. A free kick to be taken right now by the. There he goes, lifting the ball high, chasing the ball down by the Unity, and the Unity, the captain on the side. What does he do once again? That's it with the ball. This is a very good combination there, and the chance is coming right now, and the goalkeeper rushed out, and a player. The Super United, can they convert it to be goal number 3? The captain of the side, the man of the match.
He's going to take it, and there he goes with a left footer. This is very sharp, and the ball rolled out of the touch for a goal kick. Is coming to the Super United of Oji-River.
That one, number 13 man challenging, and I can see operating on the left flag there. The Super now. This is a very crossing. A chance is coming. Goalkeeper holds it. Goalkeeper for Archie Unity. He rushed out and hold the ball, and that guy still moving again, operating on the left flag there. What does he do? And the Unity all the way now, beating a man, dancing with the ball, returning that one, and kicking that one with the left footer. I can see the Unity now. This time around, he kick it with that hand, and the header bring it down. And what does he do once again? This is a beautiful one there, and this is a good combination. This is a mathematical move now. Can he make it? Approaching the perimeter, and the goalkeeper stop that one. The goalkeeper rushed out. A yellow card has been issued to the goalkeeper for Super United.
Watching the 50 minutes of the game. Direct kick is coming to the Archie Unity, who is leading by 2-0. And they convert it to be goal, and there he goes, a shot. It is a goal. 3-0 in favor of Archie Unity. A direct kick has been awarded. A direct kick has been awarded just 10 meters away into the goal area of Super United of Oji-River, and that guy put the ball and he shoot the ball straight direct to the net, and there they met goal number 3, and the United now. Okay. The United now, the center referee Manchester. Okay, good ball. Okay, and there he goes once again, and I can see the Unity now, who is leading by 3-0, and a good challenge in there. The referee Manchester says a free kick this time around is coming to the Super United of Oji-River, who is 3 goal.
Please go behind that pillar, move out from the line. Please move out behind the line.
And the Unity now taking over. This is a very good crossing there, and this is a very nice one. And this is a diagonal move, and a shot coming once again. The ball had been blocked, and the United now taking over control. 7 man, and the goalkeeper headed that one out of the danger zone. I can see number 2 man for the United pushing there cross, and that play was badly brought down for a free kick. Unity Football Club of Archie, and a free kick to be taken right now by number 4 man, and the Unity now taking over control. What does he do? Beating the man to the right footer. And what does he do once again? And there he goes, taking control of number 10 man, and the goalkeeper rushed out to clear that one out of the net. 3 goals in favor of Archie Unity. And there he goes, a header. Returning that one, this is a good crossing, and the ball rolled up. The ball rolled crowd in front of you, and there he goes. I can see the Unity now taking over control. A header, bring it down. This is a good one. one there, and the Unity now taking over control, pushing and what does he do? And a player for Unity is badly brought down. Referee.
Substitution. Number 12 out for Unity FC. For Super United, number 5 out. Super United, number 4 out, number 5 out. Run. Sure. Then the keeper of Super United out. Super United keeper. Yes. And Drilo is in hat-trick. Clap for them. I don't know what's on my good meeting. How about Hannah? Oh, yes, kudos to Oji-River FA for their wonderful work they are doing.
Jesse, just green light Jesse, and the goalkeeper managed to hold that ball, who is leading by 3 goals to nothing. And if you look at the high table, you can see a corner kick to be taken. This is a beautiful one there. And the ball has been they are playing a fantastic they are looking to lift up the trophy. Can he make it? A good player in there. A shot, but he couldn't make it, and the ball rolled out of the ball for Agoki is coming to the Super United. Number 4 man for Unity, Echeta Uzonna is going to take it, and the ball rolled out of the touch for Agoki is coming to the Super United. The Super United, the man of defense taking that one, lifting the ball high, and I can see number 12 man, he couldn't make it, and what does he do? He pushed down, and this is another throw in. The ball was intercepted, and the final throw after the final throw. And the shooters, the United taking that one, beating them, taking that one. Super United now moving with the ball, a throw in. This is a beautiful one there. A header, chasing the ball down, controlling that one, beating the man on the air. This is acrobatic one there, and this is a diagonal move. And I can see the Super now. I can see the Unity, number 13 man for the United. United now moving into space. It could be dangerous now. A chance is coming. Can he make it here? A good clearing there by number 14 man for. He is Chinedu youngest star. This guy is playing for Super United. Ogogo now dressing backwards, crossing, putting that one. This is a long shot there coming, chasing the ball down by the Unity, and the Unity now taking over control. This is a very good crossing now, chasing the ball, dancing with the ball. Now still moving again, a shot, but the ball went to wide for vision.
That has been the dream of Oji-River FA. We are organizing tournaments not just to give away trophies, but we are trying to harness these talents to see that they apply their trade of football across the shores of this country. Because the likes of Ihe Nacho, they started from somewhere like this. Before you know it, like this Andrano, he went for trial in Turkey. This guy in hat-trick today, he has went for trial in Turkey. Just that luck was all on his side. He came back, and you see what he's doing today. You know it's not by a mistake. Thank you.
Thank you very much. A yellow card for number 13 man for Super United. He is Amos Ogudile. Amos has been received a yellow card, and the number 10 man for the Unity taking that one with the left footer. He is Emmanuel Onyeka, and Onyeka now taking that one. A good chance. Can they make it? Goalkeeper managed to hold that one. This is a beautiful time for the beautiful people. The atmosphere here is very, very good. The players on the pitch, they are not feeling so sweaty now. And I can see the Unity now. And the goalkeeper holds it. Goalkeeper, he was in a direction there to make a beautiful cut, ladies and gentlemen. And this could be a very nice one with right footer.
clearing that one, pulling the ball down, and I can see beating a man. The Unity now taking over control. The Super beating a man. What does he do? And that guy have brought down for a free kick. Have been awarded by the referee Mancha, and Super now taking that one. What does he do once again? Dressing backward, number 13 man. He is number 13 man for the Super. DK Emos is going to take that one. This is a longish one there. And what does he do? Returning that one by the Super and the Super United. Super United. The Archie Unity, can they run away with the trophy this evening? I don't know. It must be a celebrating galore this evening. This is a very good clearing, but the ball rolled for over the bar, ladies and gentlemen. Watching very well, and the Unity now taking over the control. Number 5 man chasing the ball down, beating a man. This is a diagonal move. This is an acrobatic move, and I can see the Super now returning that one. Number 9 man for United. He is Chinedu. Chinedu now moving again into space right now. Can they make it? Approaching the perimeter arc of the penalty. Can they make it? This is a beautiful one there, clearing the ball. But the referee Mancha says a free kick to be taken right now, quickly to be taken by United. Super United now. The man of the defense is going to take that one. Looking forward, and there he goes. And I can see the Unity number 10 man taking that one, returning that one. This is a very good combination. A shot, and the goalkeeper, he was in a direction to catch that one freely. And I can see a header bringing down by Unity. It's number 7 man for the Super, and this is acrobatic one, beating the man on the edge, chasing the ball down, dancing with the ball, and Pascal to him. And what does he do? And the number 4 man taking over control. This is a midfield action. And what does he do? This is a very last beating, and this is a mathematical move. And the referee Mancha says no. Ladies and gentlemen,
this is football made easy
5 minutes of this game
by the boys of Tunugu.
And the Unity, they are looking the way to lift the trophy this evening. And I can see the Unity now taking over control. Number 9 man for Unity, he is Chinedu Onyebuchi, and the Chinedu now. They're doing that one. Chinedu wearing number 9 shirt. What do they do? Still moving again, taking the left. This is acrobatic one, chasing the ball down, dancing with the ball, dribbling with the ball. This is a diverse move, and the player there is down, and I can see a very good game. Yes, I can witness so far the captain on the side, what was he doing? He beat him, beat a stake, taking direction. This is a mathematical move, and this is a diagonal move. And I can see them now moving into space. This is a beautiful one, approaching the perimeter, I got the penalty ball. The people yells now, hitting their man, skipping again, changing direction. A chance is coming, that's the ball. And the ball has been taken away from him. And I can see the Unity now controlling peacefully, but they're pushing there. A player is brought down for a free kick. I can see very sharp like a razor. They can move, they can run, they can dance, they can play. This is a beautiful game, and the captain on the side, the man of the man, taking that one. This is a very good cross, a header. Oh, he missed it. 1, 2, 3 goals. Finals of the final 2022 Oji-River Super League. The live commentary is coming to you at the Universal Basic Education Sports Complex. The voice you are hearing is the voice of Iman, the Oasis, the commentator of the match, and that guy taking that one, and the ball rolled out of the touch for a throw. A throw is leading by 1 goal. 3 goals to nothing. Number 4 man, number 3 man is taking it. He is Divine now, returning that one. And what does he do? Taking that one. Number 10 man, the captain on the side, Emmanuel Onyeka now, taking that one. And I can see the 14 man who taking that one. He is a youngest star, and the youngest star now taking over control. What does he do? The captain on the side, number 10 check, and Onyeka Emmanuel beating that man, beat second, but he couldn't make it, and the ball was intercepted, and finally it rolled out of road. Team of medication, you can go and take care of that one at any moment from now the time. But I can hear from my colleague, he said that 2 minutes will be added for the full time, and when the 2 minutes added, more goal will be scored. I don't know. In a game of football, anything, and Onyeka Emmanuel and pushing the common bottle.
Also, this thing comes from his domain.
The team is
Yes, they are training it. He's in front of his house.
okay.
So they have royal blessing to be here.
And you will do very well. That is what.
Ladies and gentlemen,
And that is the end of the game. The Oji-Unity Football Club have won with 1, 2, 3 goals. They are going to run away with the trophy. That is the end of the game. Oji-Unity have won. This is a beautiful time. This is a celebrating galore. This is a celebrating galore. And I can see the unity now taking that one. And celebrating galore. I can see, I can thank, and congratulate the Secretary Mancha. Congratulations. I can congratulate Chigozie. I congratulate all the FA chairman. Please say thank you to the game and the Oji-Unity has run away. And the member United Sports Complex, where we are bringing you the live commentary. The voice of Iman, the OC, and let's everybody organizers of this game, and everybody that is here.
Receive the medal from our own sister. Please come closer. The Manja. Yes. Yes. Wonderful work. Wonderful work. Wonderful work. Wonderful work. A round of applause. Clap for them. Refugee was here only. Wonderful work. Wonderful work. You have done for us. Thank you. Referee Ike, Ilo, good work, good work. Referee Ike, Emenike, all the way from Porto. We say welcome. Thank you. Shoot back. The referee, Oleforo, good work. The referee Chibo, good work. And referee Porto. Please, at this junction, please listen. We are calling special personal awards. Please, we are calling on our client today. Come and see their match ball. How think you are blind? Where is he? Everyone, you are the young ball. He is happy. We are calling on Saturday during our meeting, but we need to call you now so that you know the positions you occupy. Thank you. Our one of these tournaments goes to no other person but Mr. Emmanuel Onyeka Adrando. He is the best player of this tournament. Then, the best goalkeeper, best golden glove, goes to no other person but Ibo Kesele, the keeper of Unity FC. Then, the highest goal scorer of this tournament goes to Mr. Mr. Udoka Okeke, we have 2 points in 4 goals, but Udoka Okeke scored 4 goals first. So he received the award. This Udoka Okeke of Summer Boys, he won the highest goal scorer. Then, the FA Fan of the Year goes to another person. Another Miss Ayon Happiness comes forward to see the medal. Miss Ayon Happiness. Also, she's the fan of FA this year. Where much I can also money in Malala everywhere. Clap for her. Then at this junction, I call the 15 players of Super United, including their coach and team manager, come up for the medal. Yes. Super United. So we presented to them by Igiri Banglaji, also Jinja, Ibereme Junior, also Meditoro. Now go to Super God, it is. Please, you need to back the line. Good one, good one. Kudos to Oji-River FA. The last time Unity FC visited this arena, they left with tears in the senior ladder because they lost some wedding shooters. But that is good for you. If you lose today, you win tomorrow. Today, they are leaving victorious here because they mercilessly beat Super United by 3 goals to 0 to clinch
It was some 30 years ago. River and other places. You know, the opportunities are drawn in our time. Yeah. But these days there were much more opportunities. So I'm encouraged. The beautiful thing about this soccer is now where how will age advantage. The water a lot of coaches in there. So I can wear time in the globe. Football is one of the greatest sports in the whole world, and the opportunity to football is enormous. That makes the organizers of this tournament for a good job. The wrestling, I'm going to go at this level, and I think I'm going to ignore. You only know you're looking or character again, but do not be deterred. Eventually, and they will at the end of the day. On a personal note, after now, to drag some other people to the part of the people, what are you busy? In jungle, football. At this level, the other coach Jude. You guys, we go places. In a not too distant time, I can play for Manchester United to Man City.
Amen.
So because Katakano, Katana, Hudol, not be detailed. Football, I want to be. Don't come with a good Akoromoha from 8 to 3 going to the academy. Get that in school. I work out with that. I go down to go water. I will see you this night and we will talk. Okay, thank you.
Thank you for your wonderful speech. Go to you and your message fine. You all open tomorrow to be here. Also, thank you. There are this junction. I know people get